What's up, guys? This is iSnipe for Heads for Last Action Gamers, and I just wanted to give you a quick video and show you what I've been working on. I've been programming a flight management system for Star Citizen. What's a flight management system? Well, for Star Citizen, I'm using it to calculate the quantum fuel burn. So what we'll do is we'll turn it on here, and basically what we have is we want to punch in where we're going from, which is the origin. And we'll use this button here to get our cursor at the origin. And much like with airports in real life, we use 3-letter codes for each destination. So usually we start out at Port Alisar, so I'll put in POL for Port Alisar. And then on the destination, we want to go to, say, Daymar, which is DYR. And then we have quantum fuel remaining. This is how much quantum fuel we have on board currently. I'll just put in, say, 2,500. And then I can go ahead and hit execute. This will give us the distance between Port Alisar and Daymar, which is 43,000 kilometers, and we'll allocate 9 quantum fuel for that. But we don't stop there. There's usually with the FMS systems we have legs. So we hit leg, now we're automatically coming from Daymar, and then we'll go to Delamar as our final destination. Hit execute, and now we roughly have the distance between Port Alisar to Daymar to Delamar. And we allocated 9 for the first leg and 173 quantum fuel for the second leg. What do we need this for? Well, at some point in Star Citizen, I'd imagine that we're going to be traveling quite a bit distance between destinations. So I'm thinking we might need a tool to calculate and make sure that we'd have enough fuel on board to get there, because we might be out in some remote areas where we don't have the ability to refuel. So I think this might be a good use for the tool. Another use for this is also sending commands to Star Citizen. Just kind of wanted a way, basically I started all this, kind of wanted a way to create my own UI elements on a tablet, something external to the game, and I can lay out these controls how I want. And I'll put in the description down below a previous video I did on the first attempt at this using some other software, but this route I thought it would be better. I put in the automatic landing button here. I push it and it sends the command to auto land. So this is kind of the idea, right? So create UI elements and and get it on a tablet where we can control our ship and whatnot. The overarching goal of this is to either, if an API ever materializes from Star Citizen, we can hook into that. But in the meantime, I can simulate a lot of this. So that's basically what I'm trying to achieve. So that's a bit of a stretch goal, but hopefully we'll get there. Just stay tuned, subscribe, and more to follow. Lag out.